Hello everyone, we're going to create this part in SolidWorks. So let's get it started. I'm going to go to File menu, click New, insert a new part file. First, let's look at the unit system. Looks like it's given in millimeter. So come over here and switch the unit system in millimeter gram second. If it's already in millimeter gram second, you don't have to do anything. But if it shows as IPS, then you have to change it to mmgs. Click the front plane under the feature tree and insert a new sketch, and I'm going to use line tool. Draw a profile like that. Smart dimension. So looks like the total width of this object is 70 millimeter. So click here, type 70. The total height is 55 millimeter. Click this line, type 55, press enter. This line is 25 millimeter. So click here, 25, and there's an angle 45 degree. Click that line, click that slanted line, and place the angle like that. That is 45. Okay, now we're gonna have to make this profile. Click line somewhere here. I'm gonna draw these three lines like that, and I will use trim entities and then cut. Okay. Smart dimension again. This is 15. That line is 22. And distance between these 2 points is 15. Alright, looks like we're done with this profile. It is fully defined. So we're going to accept our sketch. While this is highlighted, I'm going to go to extruded boss base, and the total depth for this profile is going to be 15 millimeter right here. It's 15. Type 15. Press enter. Okay. Select the surface. Sketch. And click view orientation and then normal to. And we're going to make a profile on this surface. So use the line tool at this point. Like that. And then we're going to click this edge and then click convert entities. Now it's time to put this smart dimension. Apply this smart dimension. This is 50. That is 15. And this the distance between this point and that is 23 right here. 23. Alright, so looks like our sketch is fully defined. So I'm going to accept the sketch and click extruded boss base, and I'm going to go to the view orientation area and then click on isometric view. That way I can see which way it is extruding. And I'm gonna use the blind option and extrude it by 35. So 35 is going to be the difference between this 50, which is the total depth, and this 15, because we already have extruded this the earlier profile by 15. So 35 is going to be the difference between 50 and then 15. So type 35. Let's enter. Okay. All right. So one more sketch I need to do. I'm going to select this surface, insert a new sketch, and draw a triangle using the line tool. Start from this point, somewhere here on this edge, point, and use smart dimension to put the angle. So smart dimension, click that line and that line, and the angle is given as 30. Check 30. That's it. So it's fully defined. Accept it. And this time we're going to use extruded cut and through all. Accept. And that's it. Our part is done.